Can I transfer my EZ Pass to another car in New York?
Hey there! Welcome to our video where we'll answer the question, can I transfer my EZ Pass to another car in New York? If you're wondering about the process of transferring your EZ Pass to a different vehicle, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in.
Transferring an EZ Pass in New York.
So, you want to know if you can transfer your EZ Pass to another car in New York. The good news is, yes, you can transfer your EZ Pass to a different vehicle. The EZ Pass system in New York allows for the transfer of your transponder between eligible vehicles.
How to transfer your EZ Pass.
Now that we know it's possible, let's talk about the process of transferring your EZ Pass to another car. To transfer your EZ Pass, you'll need to contact the EZ Pass customer service. They will provide you with the necessary instructions and guide you through the transfer process. Make sure to have the following information ready when you contact the customer service: your current EZ Pass account number, the transponder number of the EZ Pass you want to transfer, the vehicle information for the new car, such as the license plate number and vehicle identification number, VIN.
Additional considerations.
Before you proceed with the transfer, it's essential to be aware of a few additional considerations. 3.1 Transponder compatibility. Not all EZ Pass transponders are compatible with every type of vehicle. Some transponders are specifically designed for particular vehicle classes, such as cars, trucks, or motorcycles. So, when transferring your EZ Pass, make sure to check if the transponder is compatible with the new vehicle. 3.2 Transponder mounting. When you transfer your EZ Pass to another car, it's crucial to properly mount the transponder in the new vehicle. Follow the guidelines provided by the EZ Pass system for the correct placement of the transponder on the windshield or license plate. To sum it up, if you're looking to transfer your EZ Pass to another car in New York, it is possible. Just remember to contact the EZ Pass customer service, provide them with the necessary information, and they will guide you through the transfer process. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. If you have any more inquiries, feel free to ask. Safe travels, and have a great day.